Good afternoon, children, and welcome to the class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, and
Good
today,
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, good afternoon. And today, we are going to read the exercise 1.2. This is the last one, okay, last class of 1.2, as we have learned yesterday also, before this. And today also, we are reading the same exercise board, the last one questions, okay, that I am going to explain you. And in this class one, look here. This line and angles one, 1.2 exercise. Find the unknown angle, that x degree, y degree, and z degree. Okay. In this figure, can you tell this hand how to find out the value of x in this figure?
Sir,
How to find out the value of x in this figure? We have to add x and 45. Okay, Aditi, we have to add x and 45. Then you will get 180 degree.
sir, x plus 45
Good.
is equals to 180 degree.
Very good, very good. That you have to do first. Okay. Then you will get the value of x 135, because 45 will go this side to subtract. And it will be 135, right? Then y value, how to find y value? Y value will be equal with 45 degree, being vertically opposite angle. Okay, Ridek? Ridek, can you turn on your video? And look here, after finding the value of y, we have to add 45 degree and z degree, because these two angles make the straight angle. They are the linear pair, also can tell. Okay, then we get the value of z, right? And in this question, did we find, okay, look, we have found just now, we have found here x value also, y value also, z value also. Is there any difficulty, this Rujib?
Yes, sir.
In this solution, do you have any difficulty?
No, sir.
Ridek, hello Ridek, do you have any difficulty in this solution?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, how to find that y?
Y and 45 degree are vertical opposite angle. They will be equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Y is directly 45 degree, being vertical opposite angle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now should I go to the next slide? Dishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Sarah will tell me how to find out the value of x in this figure, from this figure.
Sir,
How to find out the value of x in this figure? Look, this one POR angle and SOQ angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. That's why they are equal. Okay. Why should we start from this? Do you know? Because these vertically opposite angles are equal, and look here, vertically opposite angles. Look, this is given in the angle. There is given. Look, like term. Look there. Here is 3x. Here is 2x. So that this can be solved first. We have to solve them first. Okay, Sarah? Okay. That is, we have to do first. Okay, that one. POR and SOQ are equal vertical opposite angle. Then put the value of POR. POR is 3x minus 20 degree. And SOQ is 3x plus 15. Then When x is brought this side, 3x minus 2x means x, minus 20 plus 15 means 35. We got the value of x. Are you clear, children? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reason, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look here. POR and ROQ. These two angles are what?
Adjacent.
Straight angle. Straight angle.
180.
That's why their sum will be 180 degree. Okay. And see there. 3x, we have the value of x 35. 3 into 35 it will be here. 3 into 35 and 20 degree same. And 5z also same. This 25 degree also same. Then it will be, look here. This will be 35 into 3. What will be there?
110.
105. 105 and 25 we have to add. It will be 130. 130 minus 20, it will be 110. Then 110 goes another side, will be minus. Then z equals to 14 degree. It will be 70 minus 5. This 70, okay, when you do minus, you will get 70. The 70 divided by 5, you will get 14 degree. Because 14 5s are 70. Are you clear, children? Rajib? How this comes 14, do you know? 180 minus 110. 70 and 70 will be divided by 5. Then you will get 14 degree. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
Very good. Pranav, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Saugat, have you understood? Arya, Srijan, Sonali, Jasmina. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am also added by your class teacher in your group. Do you know or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I was disconnected, so can you please repeat this
Yes,
slide?
okay, I am going to tell you. POR and SOQ, these two angles are vertical opposite angle and they are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, children? And
Okay, sir.
see there, Rujip, are you looking? And here, by this we get the value of x. After finding the value of x, we have to add POR, angle POR and angle ROQ. These two angles are what? Straight angle. And we got the value of x already there. Then from this we get z value. After finding the value of z, we have to solve like this. Okay. Today, so next slide now. Today, so next slide, children.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay,
same
sir.
question, okay, same question will be there. Continue. Y equals to 5z plus 25. Why y equals to 5z plus 25 degree? Can you tell? Dishant, can you tell why y equals to 5z plus 25? I want to show you that figure again. In this y equals to 5z plus 25, why do you know? Because we have already,
Because they are vertically opposite.
Vertically
very
opposite
good, very
angle.
good. And we have already got the value of z also, that's why. We have already got the value of z also. Okay, children? We have got the value
Yes,
of z
sir.
also there. Okay? And after that we can find out Z1, okay, this one here, put Z and we get the value of Y. Y equals to 15 into 14 because Z value was 14. Then 14 5 is 70, 70 plus 25, you will get the value of Y, 95. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
This one, Y value is
Yes, sir.
95. Yes. After finding the value of Y, okay, our solution is completed. We found the value of X, Y, Z all. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, here, this question was also explained by me. Okay, listen. This when you add x degree with 30 degree, when we add this x degree with 30 degree, okay, this total will be what? Do you know total? This total angle where I am showing pointer. I hope you all are looking on my pointer. Look on the screen. This x degree and 30 degree. When you add, it will be x plus 30. This will be total x plus 30, right? Which is angle QOY. QOY and XOP are vertically opposite angle. Are you looking, children? Prajwal, are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look
Yes,
here.
sir.
This right side is x plus 30 and left side is 2x plus 5. Okay. These are vertically opposite angle. And when we solve them, for that we have to forget this line, okay? OM line we have to forget and we have to add these two parts. Because when you add these two parts, you will get this whole part. When you add this x degree and 30 degree, you will get this whole part. Okay, children? And after that, these two angles will be vertically opposite angle and we have to solve like this. XOP and QOY or YOQ are equal, being vertically opposite angle. And solve it. 2x minus x, x only, 30 minus 5 is 25. We got the value of x. After finding the value of x, now we have to add, look here, XOP, look at XOP and XOQ, they are what? They are also forming straight angle. They are straight angle, look there. XOP and XOQ, when we add them, you will get straight angle. Okay, Prajwal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sarah? Dishan?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Abhinav?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. When we add them, look here. This is XOP is 2x plus 5. This XOQ is 5y. 2x means what? Look here, 2x plus 5 what will be? 2 into 25 means 50. 2x means what? Because x was 25, 25 to the 50, 50 plus 5 is 55. This is 55, okay? Okay, Rijan?
Okay, sir.
Then 5y will be here, and when 55 goes this side, it will be minus 55. 180 minus 55 means 125, and 5 comes here to divide upon, you have to write by, okay? And 125 divided by 5, then you will get the value of y, 25 degree. Are you clear, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am not looking you, just your name is in there. Sushant also, just your name is only seen there. Saugat, your also there is, look. This one, your face is not seen there, there is only. Okay, please. This one, okay. You understood this one? How to,
Yes, sir.
how to find the value of x and y, you understood from this figure? Srijan Lamisane, have you understood? Riddek,
Yes, sir.
Riddek 17 Kharel. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, yes.
Please, can you keep the video on? Have you understood, children, this question? And what I tell you, whatever is taught here, please prepare the note copy of math. This is one geometry copy. You have to do this in geometry copy. Okay, children. You have to do this all the question in one copy of geometry. Like this, we find the value of x and y from this figure. Okay, children. Hello, Christine.
Sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riddek, have you understood? Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now
Sir, yes.
I am proceeding to the next question. In this question, can you tell how to find out the value of x from this figure? We have to add this 3x degree and 2x degree. Being linear pair or being straight angle also you can tell. These two angles makes a straight angle. Okay. Then we have to do like this. Look here, write the name MOQ and QON. MOQ QON. These two angles are making a straight angle. Then their sum is 180 degree. Then x equals to 180 degree by 5. Then when you divide 180 degree by 5, you will get 36 degree. Are you clear, children, this question?
Yes, sir.
You can write down or you can take the screenshot like Dishant Shrestha, okay? Dishant is keeping the record and later on, I know that he is writing in note copy all. Yes, Dishant?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can now take a screenshot and you can make later on, okay, in note copy. Make note copy. Okay, Sarah?
Okay, sir.
Make the separate copy of geometry.
Sir,
although
I
they
have
are-
take the screenshot and after the class I will write in my notebook.
Good, very good, very good habit that is. That is the good distance walk, okay, remember. You have to make the note. Now, continue that one, okay. How to find out the y equals to 2x? Why y equals to 2x, do you know? We have already found the value of x, that's why. Look, I want to show you again that figure. In this figure, this y degree equals to 2x, why do you know?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Because
because they are
vertically
vertically
opposite.
opposite.
Vertically opposite angle, very good. And what will be the value of z? Z equals to 3x. Z equals to 3x. Z equals to 3x, right? Z equals to 3x because they are vertically opposite angle. Clear,
Because they are
children?
vertically opposite.
Yes. Then that is done here in this question. We just put the value of x here. And z equals to 3x means 3 into 36, that you will get 108 degree.
Sir, can you please show the before this slide one?
Okay. Z equals to what is there? Z equals to what is there? 3x. Z and 3x are equal. Y and 3x are equal. Okay, children?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, like this we find the value of x, y, z from this figure. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any difficulties in the solution? Do you have
Sir.
any difficulties? Okay, no. Now I am going to show you
No,
the
sir.
next solution, okay? Next solution. in this figure, look here. When we add, first of all, we have to add these two angles. Why do we have to add these two angles? You know, because there are like terms. 4x, there is 6x. We can add them. That's why we have to start from this one. And these two angles makes straight angle. These two angles make which one angle? Straight angle.
Straight.
Good, good, Salim, good. These two angles make straight angle. That's why we have to start from these two angles, right? After finding the value of x, then we can add this also. Look here, y and 5x plus 2 also we can add. These two angles are also straight angle. They also make straight angle. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
That we have to solve here in this question. Look here, we have to do. As I told you, we have to add this two angle. 180 degree being straight angle. 4x will be added with only 6x. 4x cannot be added with this 8, okay? Because we can add only the like terms. We can add only the like terms. Okay, children? 4x plus 6x, 10x, 8 degree plus 12 degree, 20 degree. Then when 20 degree goes this side, it will be minus 20, and it will be 160 divided by 10, you will get 16 degree. Value of x is coming there 16 degree. And after finding the value of x 16 degree, we have to add now this y degree and 5x plus 2. Y degree and 5x plus 2 add, then you will get what here? In place of y, we are keeping here, in place of x, we are keeping here 16. 5 into 16 will be there. 80 plus 2, 82. When 82 goes this side, subtract, then you will get the value of y, 98 degree. Are you clear, children, about this question? Solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Now I am proceeding to the next slide. I am showing you the next slide. I am showing you the next slide. I am showing you the next slide here. Okay. This is the question. Look here. As okay. Look here. This one GOB angle and AOH angle are vertically opposite angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. That's why we have to start from that. AOH equals to 3x minus 50 degree. And when you get this angle, then look here, E to F, this is straight line or not? E to F, this is straight line or not? Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, E to F is straight line. That means it is straight angle now. One angle, look, EOA, AOH, SOD, DOF. These four angles make the straight angle, right? These four angles make the straight angle. That we have to do here. Now add this all, and then you will have 180 degree. X plus 3x, 4x plus x, 5x plus x, 6x. Minus 35 plus 25 means what? Minus 10 plus 10, 0. And here is, how many x there? 4, 5, 6, there are 6x. Okay, children, there are 6x. Then when x goes here to divide, then you will get the value of x, 30 degree. What is the value of x here? 30 degree. Are you clear, children?
30 degree.
30 degree. You are right. You are
Yes,
absolutely
sir.
excellent. And please don't forget to prepare the note of math. Okay, you have to make all the questions.
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can
Prabal.
you explain again how there came 6x?
Okay, look here. X degree and 3x degree. What will be 3x? 4x. 4x plus x. 5x. 5x plus x. 6x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you the next solution. Next question one. Okay. In this question, in this question, okay, one angle is given there, AOC. AOC is given there 65 degree. AOC is given how much angle? This which one? 65 degree, okay? And question is asking us to find out all this remaining angle. There are how many remaining angles? There are 3 remaining angles, isn't it? And according to that, look, by using this given angle 65 degree, we should find out this unknown angles. Are you clear, children, about the question?
Sir?
Are you clear about the question?
Yes, sir.
And here, look here, I am writing here, look, AOC is 65 degree. It's given. Please don't forget to mention the region here at the side. And 2 number is there. See there. 2 number is that BOD and AOC are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles or not, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why they are equal. Then their values will be 65 degree both. After finding this 65 now, AOC and AOD, these 2 angles, are you looking my arrow sign, arrow symbol, this one, pointer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this AOC and AOD, these 2 angles are straight angle. Then we get the value of AOD. AOC already we know 65. Then when it goes 65 goes this side, only minus 65, and 180 minus 65 means you will get AOD equals to 115 degree. Are you clear, children?
Can you
Yes, sir.
explain again?
Look here, I am explaining again. Look here once. This first number and second number, you know.
Yes, sir.
Now third step, look here. For third step, we have to add this one angle. Look here. Angle AOC and angle AOD we have to add. Okay, children? When we add them, we will have straight angle. That means their sum will be 180 degree. Okay, Dishan?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. When we put the value of AOC 65 degree, 65 degree will go this side minus, subtract, okay? Then you will get AOD. If you know AOD, COB will be automatically same because they are also vertically opposite angles. Okay. Okay, are they vertically opposite angle or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why BOC and AOD are equal. Then what will be the value of BOC and AOD? 115 degree, being vertically opposite angles. Okay, Sarah?
Okay, sir.
Prajol, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Ridek? Ridek Karel? Are you clear? But I have not seen you, Ridek.
Sir, yes.
Please, can you show your
Sir,
video?
yes.
Yes. I hope that you are preparing the note also, you are writing also this all.
Yes, sir.
Good. Pratima, are you preparing the note or not? Pratima Kesi. Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show you 4 number 2. In this figure, angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C. Sum is given there 135. And we know that angle A and C are equal. Right? Angle A and angle C, right? 130 degree. And that is given. And they are equal also. Angle A and C are equal. That's why in place of angle A, we can write C. Or in place of angle C, we can write A. Because A and C are equal. Okay, Dishan?
Okay, sir.
Then
Okay, sir.
2 angle C will be 130 by 2 means 65. Angle C came 65 degree. If we know angle C, then angle A also 65, being vertical opposite angle. And we know that angle A and angle B are 180 degree being instead angle. Then 65 go this side minus, then subtract, then you will get angle B 115 degree. Okay, if B is 115, then D also 115, because angle B and angle D are vertically opposite angles. Okay, children. Like this, angle B and angle D will be equal, being vertical opposite angle. Okay, Dishan? Okay, Ridek?
Okay, sir.
But I have not seen you here. I am just looking your name only. Pratima, Rujib, Aditi.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please, Sarah.
Sir, after 2 minutes, we should rejoin.
No, we are going to finish. Just one question only left.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. Should I show you the next slide?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the question. This is the question. And in this question, P, Q, R, these three angles are added and their value is 250 degree. Okay. Should I move to the next slide? Here is the question only.
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Yes, this one.
Sir, 4-2. Yes, sir, this one. Okay,
take
sir.
it. Now here I am going to show you this one for number 3. Look here. In this question, PQR is given 250 degree. Okay, it's given already in question. And we know PQR is given there. Look here. Sorry, PQ is given there 180, because P and Q is straight angle. P plus Q will be 180. Right here 180, then 180 goes there to subtract, then angle R will come. What is there? 70 degree. And angle P equals to angle R, they are vertical opposite angle. That's why angle P and angle R value is 70 degree. Okay, Pratima. And now angle P and angle Q are also straight angle. Then 70 is P and 70 go this side, subtract, then angle Q will come 110 degree. Okay? Understood, children? Today this much only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today this much only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye bye, all of you. And angle, look here is one angle. As I told you, angle S and angle Q are already equal. Okay, they are vertical opposite angle. Okay, children? Angle
Okay,
S
sir.
and angle Q is equal. Thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Bye bye, children. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, all of you.